Once you've installed the Retrospect client software out on the network, you return to the main Retrospect computer and you go to Configure and go to Clients. This will take you to a window we call the Client Database. The Client Database displays for you all the clients that this copy of Retrospect has access to. If you don't see any clients in this window, you click Add, and Retrospect will go out on the live network and look for available clients. This window searches for clients using the multicast lookup method, and it will only find computers in the local subnet. In this example, we're going to look for a client outside the local subnet. So we click the button at the bottom that's on the side that says Advanced, and we click the option that says Subnet Broadcast. Subnet Broadcast will allow us to look for clients in multiple subnets. To configure it, you click on the Subnets button, you click Add, and you enter in the IP address of a machine in that subnet. And then you enter in this appropriate subnet mask for that subnet. You click OK, and you can add multiple subnets. And this is ideal. If you have a machine that may travel from one subnet to another, then Retrospect will be able to locate that machine if you add multiple subnets to this list. We'll click OK, and then Retrospect will scan the network looking for an available client. And if we scroll to the bottom of the list, we will be able to locate the client that we're looking for. And as you can see, the list is dynamic and it will grow automatically. Once we select the client we want to log in, it's going to ask us to enter the password that we used when we installed the Retrospect client software. This is called logging in the client. Once Retrospect establishes communication with the client, you will see several settings and options related to that machine. We're going to go ahead and close this window, and we're going to close the live network window, and we're going to see that the client now appears in the client database. If we return to the main Retrospect window and go to Configure and go to Volumes, the client we just added in will appear under Backup Clients in the Configure Volumes window. We can also expand that client and see the disk that's on that machine. And then we can browse that disk across the network. Retrospect will begin to scan your drive and display the list of files and folders that are on the disk. When the scan completes, you'll be able to see the items that are actually on that drive in order to back them up at a later date.